Welcome to Da Nang, and literally welcome to Da Nang. I'm here at the Grab station. They also put on some warning signs here. Very interesting. And we will make, this is the Grab sign place here. Hello.
Hello.
And here's someone from Grab even here. So if you have any questions, you can always ask.
My tent is here.
Okay. So this is the Grab station, and we're gonna walk to the airport arrival here. Okay. It's very nicely done here and super safe. The only thing you have to be very cautious about is if someone talks to you here in this area. There are even signs to be aware of that, but there's still sometimes people trying to offer you rides without the app. Okay. It is still high season, it's Sunday, but it looks very empty. I feel like there's no one arriving today, but it's good. Now you can see the beautiful Da Nang International Airport. We will actually walk from the arrivals international to the domestic one. Marcus is also here.
Yeah, hello.
Hello.
And
Looks very nice. So this is the area you come out, okay? And it is very simple to go from here, either way to the ATMs here. There's big sign ATM, or if you want to exchange cash, it's to the left hand. And here is the Grab station. Very simple. But now we're gonna walk to the domestic and show you there, the domestic arrival. Be careful with those coffee. It's good, but it's expensive. And I think a four is maybe $6 or $7. But of course, it's an airport, they're always expensive. If you are a smoker, this is the smoking area. It's right hand if you come out the international airport. This also looks very nice here, right? This is a beautiful designed airport. Very simple, very small, and very structured. I absolutely love it. So now here at the domestic airport, it's a little bit different than the international. There you have to go also opposite, but to the right. I will show you that where the Grab station is there. So here is a little bit of a no man's land. The weather at the moment is sunny, but we got a huge storm yesterday. Marcus and I were at Anbang Beach in Hoi An, yeah. And we did a live stream there. Oh my God. That was a very strong wind and rain shower. But it only lasted few, I don't know, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, the storm, and then it was a little bit of rain, and then it stopped. And then at the end, when we drove back, it was okay again. But yeah, this is also where you arrive when you go back to the airport. They will drop you off upstairs, and then you can check in. If you go downstairs, it's the arrival. So it's very simple. It's not big, it's just very, very simple here.
For the German word for today, I would say es ist übersichtlich. What is the English word for
you see, it is very clearly structured to look at.
Wow, what a übersichtlich.
Übersichtlich. Or for all my Germans watching this, how would you translate that? Übersichtlich to English. I mean, we could also ask Google, but who cares about Google, guys? We need more humans. In this DNA of AI, we need more humans. So we're also gonna pick up a loyal member of our German channel today. He said it was very, very crowded at Ho Chi Minh International Airport. And even though he had a fast track, even that was crowded. He also missed the first flight. He didn't miss the first flight. His first flight was delayed, so he missed the flight in Ho Chi Minh City. But he flew with Vietnam Airlines. And Vietnam Airlines, they were very good with the service, he said. So here, this is the domestic arrival zone here. Very nice and good here. Highlands Coffee, good coffee shop here. The Vietjet's office. They must get a lot of hate there. But oh wow, Marcus, maybe there's a wife for you in there. Oh,
It's pretty. Oh, look at this.
Oh, Sam. Okay, there's a Y missing. What is the prices here? This is a good offer for. Look at this. That's good prices for airport, right?
Yes.
So this here is the area you will come out here, okay? This is the area. There's also possibilities for currency exchange, which I would not recommend. Because the currency exchange at the airport is never that good. But you can, I don't know, do 20 bucks or 50 bucks just to have a little bit of a cash, right? But you can also, of course, download the Grab app, or, you know what, just stick with the Grab app for first. After that, you can also get the XanSM app with the electric vehicles, or the InDrive app that is cheaper. But InDrive is not connected to a credit card. InDrive, you have to pay cash. This is the downside. It's usually cheaper, but you have to pay cash. And I don't know if they always have change. So this could, if you have the correct amount in your pants, then it's fine. But to keep it simple as possible, get Grab, and yeah.
Also, you can get here SIM cards, inside and outside. Here's Wiener phone, they say.
Yeah, I would not get it here as well, unless you are for 2 weeks here and don't want to have a stressful walk around. Yeah. You can get it here, you can get it inside, or you get an eSIM.
Yeah.
For example, IRL or something, get an eSIM in advance. Yeah, some credit cards have eSIMs, right? And yeah, I think if you want to stay here for 1 to 3 months, then just ignore everything and go to the Virtel store, where I made so many videos about. You can just go back on my videos. I actually explained it, where it is and everything.
And look at this. When you come out here, for example. Yeah, exactly.
Ah, perfect. Look at this. This is also new, I think. Now you come out and they already tell you where it is. Grab car, Grab pickup, 100 meters, all right? And it is over there. So sometimes they're standing here on the right, sometimes it's on the Grab station where we're gonna walk right when we pick up Ingo.
What is this?
Hot Springs Park. Ooh.
Oh, look at the slides.
Oh wow, this is a good advertisement. Now we know about that. I mean, I knew there is a water park somewhere, but I didn't know it's like that big. But who knows, maybe it's, yeah, we have to check it out. So what kind of alternatives do we have still here? We have the normal taxi rides. We have the XanSM. This is the also app you can hire. You can also ask them. And you have different kind of taxi companies here. You could also just book a transfer with the hotel. You could book a transfer with trip.com, but usually it's way more expensive. It's around $10, which is the normal price here back would be $3 to $4. But if you want to have someone waiting for you with a sign here, maybe $10 is not that big of a deal. Then maybe it's okay. So I like to do this in Thailand as well. Get someone who's picking you up with the sign and have everything set up already before you have to deal with Grab or something. Because sometimes Grab is not even cheaper, especially if it's a longer ride. But in this case here, Da Nang International Airport to Da Nang, the beach side, it is only 10 to 15 minutes ride, depends on the traffic. It is not far. You can actually walk from here to the beach. You can walk from here to the beach. I did it on my channel, you can also look at it. It's a 1-hour video where I walk with Marcus from here to the beach, directly into the Antung area, Mian Beach, to the nice area where all the hotels are. We walked from here to the beach in 1 hour. We just thought about we should get him a beer for his arrival.
Yeah.
We're not gonna get a sign or flowers, but we're gonna get a beer because he's German, you know. All right, guys. So here you have to go. We just picked up Ingo, and we're gonna go over there to the Grab station. So sometimes the Grab cars stand here, but it's very unusual. They should stand there at the Grab station. The Grab station should also be displayed with this beautiful green umbrella. Yeah, over there, straight on. So it's very simple here. You go to the right 100 meters and then you will see the Grab umbrellas. They don't look as crisp as they were 1 or 2 years ago, but you can still see the Grab sign. And if you want to be as cheap as possible and you are alone and you don't have a lot of luggage, you can also walk all the way to the end of the airport here and take a Grab bike, okay? A Grab motorbike is right over there. They cannot drive in here. Only cars allowed here, okay? So for the Grab bikes, all the way there. And for the Grab, here. App-based taxi, contract cars with less than 9 seats here. If there are big seats, like over 9 seats, they have to park somewhere else. But then usually, if you're a big group, you get picked up and they will get you to the big 16-seaters or the big buses. Oh, there's a beautiful white Mercedes S-Class over there, but we will not have this, obviously. And this here also has the good times. I think it's from yesterday. The storm was pretty heavy on this umbrella. Hey, Grab, if you see this, maybe you should get a new Grab umbrella. You make so much money anyways. Huh? Look at this, how ugly this Grab umbrella looks like. Yeah, washed out, but at least you have beautiful seating over here, okay? Nice. You cannot throw any smokes in here. So, yeah. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. Check out this video here and see you in the next vlog.